Are you looking for the best drone under $600? In this video we will look at some of the best drone under $600 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Fimi X8 Mini Professional Drone 8K GPS 10 km Professional Remote Control Quadcopter Helicopter 30 minutes 8 km Remote Control Plane. Number 2. Fimi 8K Drone Camera Professional Airplane Fixy X8 2022 FPV 3-axis Gimbal Quadcopter GPS 10 km RC Helicopter Toys. Number 3. Fimi X8 2022 V2 Drones with Camera HD 8K GPS Professional RC Helicopter FPV 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone Toys for Boys. Number 4. Fimi 4K Camera Drone X8 Mini Racing Drones HD Professional Remote Control Helicopter GPS 8 km Transmission Quadcopter Toy for Boys. Number 5. Fimi New X8 Mini V2 2023 Camera 250 grams Drones 9 km Transmission 4K Mini Drone Gimbal Professional Quadcopter with Remote Control.